Spice up your taste buds with my sizzling Chorizo Jalapeno Poppers. We'll start by carefully rinsing and drying these vibrant beauties. I like to use this veggie wash. Next, we'll delicately slice the jalapenos in half. The bigger, the better. These are actually from my garden. Now take caution, if you wear contact lenses, gloves are highly recommended to avoid any spicy encounters. Once done, our goal is to remove the seeds and veins which actually house the fiery heat. This will also ensure a milder yet flavorful experience. You can use a knife or a spoon to spoon it all out, whatever is easiest for you. Once they're all deseeded, you want to lay them all on a sheet pan. To a hot pan, we'll drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add 1/4 of a diced onion. Then we'll saute until it becomes wonderfully aromatic. Now it's time I introduce my star ingredient, 1 pound of savory chorizo. I'm using pork chorizo. Now if you prefer, you can also opt for ground sausage as a delicious alternative. Break up your chorizo using a spatula, or if you prefer, I have a special tool. I'll post the link below in my description section. You want to cook it for a couple minutes. Then we'll add 2 cloves of minced garlic, equivalent to 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Give it a good mix, then continue cooking your chorizo for about 5 minutes, infusing the kitchen with its irresistible aroma. Smells so good. Once done, we'll set aside for a couple minutes to slightly cool off. We're going to add 1/4 of the chorizo into a bowl. The rest I'm going to put in my fridge for breakfast tacos in the morning. You'll also need 1 block of softened Philadelphia cream cheese. I left it on my counter to soften for about an hour. We'll combine our softened cream cheese and our delectable chorizo, blending them together into a creamy and savory filling. If you're enjoying this recipe and want to see more delicious recipes, I invite you to consider subscribing. Make sure you hit the little bell to get notified of any new videos I post. Also, don't forget to check out my community section where you'll get to know me on a more personal level. All right, friends, it's time to stuff our jalapenos with this tantalizing mixture, ensuring each one is generously packed. To enhance the flavor even further, we'll sprinkle a layer of shredded mozzarella cheese over the top, adding a delightful cheesy touch. Now, make sure that you shred your own cheese. It'll melt so much nicer. But wait, we're not done yet. Grab a strip of bacon and carefully wrap it around your stuffed jalapeno, securing all those flavors with its delicious savory embrace. You can use 1 strip of bacon, but 1.5 to 2 strips will make it look a lot nicer. But today I only have 1 package, so I'm using 1 per popper. I like to top mine off a couple different ways. I like to use smoked paprika. Make sure it's smoked because it gives it a really nice smoky flavor. On some of the others, I'm going to brush a little bit of honey barbecue on top. I'll do 4 with barbecue. The other ones I'll leave with just the bacon. And my very last one, I'm not adding bacon to it, just the cheese on top. At 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius, you want to cook for 20 minutes or longer, depending on your preferred crispiness. The bacon will crisp to perfection, creating a mouth-watering texture that perfectly complements the creamy filling. If you're cooking some without bacon, those are ready in about 16 minutes. Since these don't have the sodium in bacon, feel free to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Once done, you want to let them cool off for a few minutes before enjoying them. Now let's go cut into one. Get ready to savor the irresistible combination of smoky bacon, creamy cheese, and the perfect amount of heat from my Chorizo Jalapeno Poppers. I really hope you enjoy these, and if you enjoyed my video, please be sure to give it a like, share, and comment. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.